We need to find out the area of a triangle with vertices AC plus AC, and negative AC minus A. So there are two ways of finding out the area of a triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. So we can use either method 1 or method 2. So in this particular problem, I'll be using method number 2 to find out the area of the triangle. So let us begin. Suppose we start out with a triangle with vertices A, B, and C. Now we will consider A to be having the coordinates A, C plus A. B is having the coordinates A, C, and C having the coordinates negative A, C minus A. To find out the area, we have area of triangle ABC. So this will be equals to half times the absolute value of. Now what we'll do, we'll start with the coordinate of vertex A. So that's A and C plus A. Then in the next row, we will use the coordinate of B. So that's A, C. In the third row, we'll use the coordinate of C. So that's negative A, C minus A. And then we'll again come back to the vertex A, which is A, C plus A. The rule is simple. To expand this particular determinant, all we have to do is start from the first one, the element in the first row, first column, which is A, multiply it with C, then add it to the product of A and C minus A, and then add it to the product of negative A and C plus A. So we'll perform that calculation first. So we'll take the absolute value. First, we will multiply A with C. Then we're going to multiply A with C minus A. Then we'll add it to the product of negative A and C plus A. Right. We'll keep it aside, and from it we're going to subtract the sum of the products of. Now what we'll do, we'll take the product of A and C plus A, add it to the product of negative A and C, and then add it to the product of A and C minus A. Right. So let's write that down as well. So we have A multiplied to C plus A, added to negative A. So we have negative A times C, plus we have A multiplied to C minus A. Now let's perform the calculation. We have half multiplied to, so here we have AC plus A times C minus A will be simply AC minus A squared. Then we have negative A times C plus A, so that gives us negative AC minus A squared. So we'll keep this aside, and from it subtract A times C plus A. So that's AC plus A squared minus AC plus AC minus A squared. Right. Now we can cancel out AC with negative AC. Then we have here AC and negative AC, A squared and negative A squared cancelling out. So that leaves us with half multiplied to, we have AC minus 2A squared minus, now here we have only AC, negative AC. Right. So we can cancel out AC and negative AC. We are now left with absolute value of negative 2A squared divided by 2. Now absolute value will always make it positive. So we have 2 times A squared divided by 2. The 2 and 2 will get factored out, and that leaves us with the value A squared. So this is going to be the area of the triangle ABC with the value of A squared. So you can verify that we will get the same area of A squared if we use the first formula.